Okay, so last but not least, I'd like to talk about titrations. Okay, so and about the basic steps for titration. So let's say we need a standardized base. So here we have it. We need a graduated cylinder. So here would be our graduated cylinder. And we need a pH indicator, which would basically let us know our pH right there. And so key data, the first we need to know the data, the volume of our unknown acid, and the initial and final burette volume. This is very important to calculate it. And we would also need the balanced equation. So balanced equation. The first thing we would do is we would have to rinse this burette 2 or 3 times with standardized base. Secondly, we would have to measure a sample of unknown gas, of unknown base. Sorry. We would have to record the volume. And so our measure of an unknown acid using the graduated cylinder. So here would be our unknown acid. And then we would have to add the pH indicator to the beaker containing the acid. So our pH indicator would be what changes color. So let's say we would put something right here. And then add base carefully. So we would start dropping what's in here in our beaker right into here. So we would start drop by drop by drop by drop by drop. And so add base carefully until the last drop causes a persistent change in the color of the pH. So let's say this would turn this blue. So it would now look like this. So you can see there's a persistent change. And read and record the final volume of the burette. So we would record the final volume right here. And then we would do our calculations, which would be pretty easy. They would simply be the initial volume of the burette with the final volume of the burette. Yes, it would be pretty simple. It would be the final volume of the burette minus the initial volume of the burette. Then we will find the moles of the first substance divided by the molarity. We would do it with the molarity, and then we would calculate the different concentration of the unknown sample. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope that my score in the final exam is somewhere above a 3. I would hope maybe if I study pretty hard and with this video 3.5 or 3.6. Thank you very much, and I hope you liked my video.